My people, my people, my people. Good morning. If you're just waking up, we've been here since what time? What time we started? 6 o'clock. And we're going to be here until 8:30. What a glorious day it is. Now, some people do not wake up. Some people wake up dead. And we still have life. And I'm going to transform myself, start again, and become a dancer. So join me on stage. No, a joke. Still to come. We're going to get the details on the Stella Maris's 25th season of dance. But first, we're going to get a snippet of what to expect from the Nance Dance Collective, and I will not be dancing with them. That's my next life. So I want them to take us to a break with Suits. Ta-da!